Hello everybody, Scotch Train Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Bristol Parkway.
May I have your attention, please?
There is a 220 from somewhere, well actually it's from Manchester Piccadilly, going to Bristol Temple Meads with the 9:54 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. Should be departing any minute now. There it goes, on its way. And there's a Freightliner Class 66. Just taking the view there nicely as the disgusting Voyager bars it. So I don't know where the hell that's off to. So while I'm here, today at Bristol Parkway you will be seeing services by Cross Country and Great Western Railway, and potentially some freight as well. And also this is for my 1000 subscriber special, so thank you very very much for getting me there. And here I am, here's a treat. Also need to apologise because half my Cambridge Ely, well, I've only done 11 minutes on my Cambridge video, and my Ely video has been deleted because my phone's just like decided to kill itself. Oh, thanks, Kieran.
No, not you, the phone.
Oh yeah, it is.
I can call you an idiot. Could if you want, but I'm going to.
Well then, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Bristol Parkway. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just arriving in any minute is a terminating service from Western-super-Mare via Bristol Temple Meads.
I think that bit was a bit obvious.
No, actually, it went via Bath Spa, just for the bants.
I think it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is 159.38.
How do you know? I thought there was about 8 of them.
No, it's 938, alright.
Right then.
Yeah, that's 159.38.
I'm gonna just follow Kieran and say it's 150. 938.
Now, agreed 3,050 on this one. It's not normal. I think they're making it extra.
Next train shortly to arrive on platform number 3. 10:04 departure for London Paddington, calling it Swindon, Reading and London Paddington.
Look at that, 938.
Oh, so good deal, aren't you?
On all platforms, please remain behind the yellow line at all times. Thank you.
And there that terminates in.
Platform the 10-12 service to back to Western-super-Mare. So I might be seeing a lot of them today. Seeing a lot of 938, that's for sure.
And there it goes, nice and cosy there. Okay, we've got a crossover inbound. We have the 10:09 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. Also, we have the 10:04 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea, and also this is from London Paddington. 43162 on the front of it. And there that arrives in nice and cosy. Okay, there goes 43097 for the 10:04 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea. Environment Agency, that's what it says on the nameplate. And also on the rear this is 43131. And 43175 with 175 anniversary of something. I don't know what. And we'll wait for this to depart in roughly another minute. Okay, now departing is the 10:09 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. Nice little bit of HST featuring there.
Which is formed, I can tell you that one, 221136.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Seen it at
Yeah,
BTM.
I saw it as I went past. 221136.
Okay, just arriving in now is the 10:09 cross-country service to Manchester Airport via... Airport, that'd be so awesome now! Manchester Airport, imagine a cross-country going there. Let's just erase Airport and replace it with Piccadilly. And that's going via Birmingham Temple Meads. That'd be so good! You know Virgin used to do that back in the day? That'd be so awesome. And that came from Bristol Temple Meads, also on platform whatever it is, on the little, is it 4? I was said 3 actually. Is 159.38 with the 1012 Great Western Railway service to Western Supermare.
Charity race to Ranger thing I'm doing in March.
I thought you were doing that in late Feb.
No, March.
No.
First trip in March.
What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing a Ranger myself.
There it goes.
For their own safety, customers are requested to stand well behind the yellow line.
Too long till it goes,
Yeah.
but we'll leave the camera off until it does. Get mugged off.
Okay, departing now is the 10:09 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, not Airport, via fantastic two-tone. We're 221136. Next stop at Cheltenham Spa.
Half-hour journey at least to Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop, that means Cheltenham Spa.
Yeah, boy.
Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton.
Okay, just arriving in now is the 10:25 Great Western Railway service to
153. No, 233.
For their own
oh,
safety,
15233
customers are requested to stand well behind the yellow
with a new interior on the new livery on the Great Western Railways.
Somebody's birthday on that train, it's balloons.
Yeah, happy birthday to them then.
Happy birthday to that person. Birthday shout out, even though I don't know who they are.
Birthday shout out to that person.
To that person, it just sounds like something you hear in a video game.
Yes,
Because they've run out of things to say.
I always run out of things to say. And that's going to Westbury from Worcester Shrub Hill indeed. Okay, ready to leave now is 150.223 with the 10:25 Great Western Railway service to Westbury from Worcester Shrub Hill.
I believe that service actually does form a service to Worcester Foregate Street or Great Malvern. I think it is one of them too. Because it does start at Westbury. I think it's Worcester Foregate Street.
I think it might be Great Malvern. It just seems that sort of thing, like a 150 doing the...
158. Platform 2.
Yeah, they do go there very frequently.
Cross-country service to Plymouth. Call you at
Okay, just pulling in now is the 10:30 cross-country service. Yeah, it is a 10:30 now.
10:30 service to Plymouth.
Cross-country Voyager service to Plymouth from York.
This is from York, yes indeed. Yes, it is from York.
Might have only been doing like probably an early morning service, and it is 2:20.025. Oh, nah.
You know, the local service has been delayed before. It just holds up because obviously there's something behind it. They both go the same route, and they're only 5 minutes difference.
Dun, 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 dun.
Bristol Parkway is the most pressuring station ever.
I bet it is. I bet they're like.
Yeah, they really are. Most of the times.
Okay, leaving now is the 10:30 cross-country service to Plymouth, which is 2:20.025.
Just reappeared after I've seen them in the summer, but I've not seen them since.
I get ya.
They're reappearing. 025, so I haven't seen it using that.
Oh, nice little one-tone as it departs there.
Who asked for that one? Probably nobody.
Is anyone down there? Let's hunt them down.
There's no one down there. No one down there, so he just did it.
He's good. Oh.
It's just a happy, joyy driver.
Yeah.
Joyy.
Joyful.
Joyful driver.
He might be a very jolly driver.
Let's not go into that, shall we?
Yeah, that's the best bit.
Actually, let's. But let's not do it on video.
Yes. Okay, just arriving in now is the delayed 10:39 cross-country service to Glasgow Central from Liskeard.
Platform 2 for the 10:48 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Calling at Cardiff Central only. This train has 8 coaches. First class is at the rear. Standard class is at the middle and front. Bicycle spaces are at the very front.
That announcement is at the 10:48, which is an extra service for the Rugby special, as the Six Nations are on in Cardiff today. There are 2 charters later on, but I won't see them unfortunately.
For their own safety.
Okay, just arriving in now is the 10:48 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from London Paddington. This is a extra rugby service for the Six Nations.
The train at platform 2 is the 10:48 Great Western Railway service.
And we also have 43.040.
Also, it sounds like GWML 135 It is.
And according to Kieran, which you are right. The 10:39 cross-country service to Glasgow Central is leaving, which is 221135. And there that goes into the distance with its next stop of Cheltenham Swap. And let's see what it is. 43.156. Ah, nice. With that. Okay, departing now is 43.040 and 43.156 with the 10:48 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central only. Through lines.
Going on the up main. What do you call it?
What, platform 3 and 4, the through lines?
No, the up main. It's called the up main track.
Well, the one where you seen the empty stop 158 when I went.
Yeah, that's the up.
I thought that was the up relief. That's why I said I'm changing.
Alright, the relief lane. I just call everything the main, the middle track.
Just call it through lines.
Okay, it's really up through line. 43.156. Flashing away there beautifully.
And there that goes on its way to its next and final stop of Cardiff Central.
It's really a sick service, just get straight to Cardiff.
It's pretty sick that.
Sick, bro.
Sick, bro. Okay, arriving in now is the 10:55. Cross-country service to Paignton via Weston-super-Mare and Bristol Temple Meads with 220 0007. It's 007 train.
And also 158766 has showed up there.
And also there's one
1052 Great Western Railway service from
Southampton Central.
Southampton Central to Worcester Foregate Street.
To Worcester Foregate Street. It is 158. What is it?
766.
766. That is the number of it, and that will be for the knee. 1052 Great Western Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street from Southampton, as I've just repeated there. Okay, leaving now is the 10:52 Great Western Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street from Southampton Central.
Which is 158766.
158766. Nice little wave from the driver, thank you very much. They do make a fantastic noise, they do. And they smell nice. So do EMT actually, I'll give them that.
Scouser in Bristol, who'd have thought it?
Okay, just arriving in now is going to be the 10:04 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea via Cardiff Central it came from. This is obviously, we'll go via Reading and Swindon. On the front we have 43-190.
London Paddington service, London Paddington service, train
And we'll catch the rear on the departure. Okay, departing now is 43-190 with the 10:04 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington, going via Reading.
And it's going to be snow again.
Yeah, boy. Or 7.
I saw this yesterday actually. This was one of the only car park in the April Mainline I've never seen. I saw it yesterday. Even if I didn't see it yesterday, I would have seen it today.
Or would you?
I just bought the one for sale.
Okay, arriving in, we have two 11:09 services. There's the 11:09 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads, doing its first stop. Also, we have the 11:09 Great Western Railway service to Swansea from London Paddington. So we'll catch the cross-country as it arrives in now. I think it's 2:20.009 as that was the train that I was on. And also, I've heard this HST is full and standing, so let's check this out as it arrives in. Let's check just how busy it actually is. 43-180. Oh my god! The only time I've seen a train, an express train as busy as this, was when I did the diverts at Coventry and Birmingham. That is mad. We also have 43-125. Okay, departing now is the massively sardine canned 43-180 and 43-125 with the 11:09 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. Hopefully should be freeing up at Cardiff because of the Six Nations rugby game.
Don't forget Regend Rugby FC. That'll be mental.
Oh
Regend.
my
No,
god.
I'm joking. That's a joke. Sure it'll be alright for that, as long as Swansea City aren't known at home game.
Oh my god. R.I.P. Crane. I bet the poor power cars are like, kill me now. I do like them HSTs.
I applaud GWML for really trying hard there to get everybody on. Well done.
Yeah, I do.
They really had to tackle it today.
He did. He did a really good job.
I don't think it's going to be over either. It's not over until it starts. Until it just started, I reckon. RIP then when they come back.
Yeah. Okay, appearing out there very shortly should be 1:59.25, forming the 11:12. Well, I'm just saying what you said, so.
That's 926.
See 926 actually, with the 11:12 Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. Clunking over the points there as it goes onto the right line.
I'm going to call it Stapleton Road, Lawrence Hill, Bristol Temple Meads, Bedminster, Parsons Street, Nelson Blackwell, Yatton Well, Western Milton and Weston-super-Mare.
Is it passing Filton?
Oh, sorry, and Filton Abbey Wood, sorry. Wait, that's my mistake. See, I'm not switched on, I keep thinking we're at Filton Abbey Wood because I'm so stupid. You're stupid, Kieran.
I agree. Okay, arriving in now is 158.957, forming the 11:21 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Gloucester. I like to call this the triple-headed train because... Is it? I think so.
It should do.
But it's going Weymouth.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Rick.
This is busy. Oh, so many weird things going on.
Okay, departing any second
Right now
is 158.957 with the 11:21 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth. And that's on its way now. Hopefully. There you go.
Also arriving in is the 11:45 Great Western Rail service from Bristol Temple Meads to Cardiff Central, which is another extra service put on for the Rugby today.
And also in the distance is another extra service. It's the 11:45 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Bristol Temple Meads. Obviously it's another rugby special. It called at Filton Abbey Wood, then calling here, then reversing out doing a non-stop run to Cardiff Central with a 20-minute wait.
Oh yes. Another 20-minute wait, don't we?
Exactly. Probably a declassified service, I imagine.
11:26 cross country.
So we have 43.033.
Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. This train has 5
Maybe ECS.
First class is at the rear of the train. Platform 2 of the 11:26 cross country service to Plymouth.
Did it have a 1 in it? Okay then. Did it have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in it? Okay, and it is 43.171. Ah.
Just very simple.
And there that is, arriving in prettily. Arriving in now is the 11:26 Great West cross country service to Plymouth from Newcastle.
Plymouth. This train has 5 coaches.
Has 5 coaches.
First class is at the rear of the train. Platform 2 of the 11:26 cross country service.
221.120.
Wow. I see 120.
Okay, leaving now is 221.120 with the 11:26 cross country service to Plymouth from Newcastle. I don't.
Local station.
Prescott.
Plymouth.
Prescott.
Plymouth.
Heighton.
Plymouth.
Okay.
That's not your local station.
That kind of is.
No, it isn't. It's Prescott.
I've got a few local stations.
No,
actually.
Prescott.
Right. Bloody hell. Stop fuming.
Prescott.
Okay, just arriving in now is the 11:39 cross-country service to Aberdeen from Plymouth. Would have gone... No, it wouldn't. Okay, leaving now is the 11:39 cross-country service to Aberdeen from Plymouth. With 221. What was it? 221? 121. And the way that goes. Next stop, Cheltenham Spa.
Every time.
Exactly! I just want to know. You never know, it might be Gloucester for a change. What if it was?
Early morning one, 6:30 out of Temple Meads5, Glasgow Central, that's that.
Oh, that'd be sick, that. Reverse out of Gloucester. Okay, departing now is going to be the Great Western Railway HST service. It isn't it, actually. I could get a few seats.
Oh no, hang on. I'm wrong. It is.
Yeah, it's busy, it's busy.
I was mistaken. Oh, it's 43171 and 43033.
It's 43133 and 171. 033. No, 171 and 033. And that is off to Cardiff Central non-stop with driver Stan Martin.
Well, another one that you can pray for. Pray for the Swansea service. I wonder how that was doing.
Probably broke down at Newport.
Swansea service. I'm going to explode.
Rip me.
Rip Swansea.
Mm.
You're not getting as far as there. You're not getting delayed at Cardiff.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Okay, slowly arriving in now is a 150/2. The 11:53 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth. Okay, leaving now is the 11:53 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth. So we have 150, 221 at the front.
Oh my god.
880. And also there's 158880, which is in a different colour, but it is Great Western Railway, even though it is in SWT colours, it is hired. Looks nice though.
That was on the Cardiff Central to Taunton ones the other day.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
On
Did
its own.
see it?
I didn't see it, but I saw pictures online.
Ah,
Look quite nice.
that's cool. Nice one.
That is so good.
It is. Okay,
Yeah,
arriving in now
right?
is the 11:54 cross country service.
On this service. I really don't.
I got-
It does not take long to get here.
3 hours.
That's fine for a 220.
True.
Probably if you have the long distance ones.
True.
221
You poor thing. You poor thing. And that came from Manchester Piccadilly and is going to Bristol.
Stop cross country. Just
You poor
311
thing.
here.
You will actually like cheer when that
Cross
happens.
country, stop it.
Okay, leaving now is 221122 with the 11:54 cross country service to Bristol Temple Meads from Manchester Piccadilly. There that goes now. That's its last stop before Bristol Temple Meads.
so much good stuff.
Yeah, spot on.
Especially the extra HST. It's just the one thing that would top it would be a vinyl.
Okay, our final train of the day is going to be a arriving Great Western Railways HST. It came from Carmarthen to, and it's going to London Paddington.
43197.
43197. Okay, departing now is 43197 with the 1204 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Carmarthen. Oh, that's about that. There's not even a buffet car on it. Rip. And also we have 43012. And as that heads on its way, I shall conclude my video there. So thank you for watching my Bristol Parkway video. I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything about the channel, any station recommendations, any all that jazz, leave in the comments section and I'll get back to it as soon as I possibly can. So Bristol Parkway has been absolutely sensational, that's the word I can put it. For a small station, I have to admit, it's been great. Got absolutely loads here.
Working.
I thought you were going to say that. I knew you'd say that. Got the 158 on hire. In the South West trains, yeah, 880.
Behind you, by the way.
What's behind me? Okay then. I'll walk it like. Well, I'll get it arriving in, you see. So there's the 1209 arriving in behind me, which I'll like record while I'm doing my output. Off Swansea, yeah, from Paddington. So also we did get that 66 at the start as well. But overall, it's been a great day. Also the HST on platform 4. So my next station for my 1000 sub special is going to be Bristol Temple Meads. Everything's just arriving in now because you got a 1209 going to somewhere. So let's get these arriving in, and oh yes, also I will mention that very soon. So there's 43193 making a very weird noise, and it is absolutely packed again. The bogie squealing. So yes, let me say, so here today with me was KTV Videos, just KTV Videos. Thank you very much for joining me as well, Kieran. And also we have 43170. So yes, for me here at Bristol Parkway, I shall see you all in Bristol Temple Meads next time. Take care and goodbye.